Pork is what's for dinner. Thank you for joining us. The joys of cooking. Today is roast pork day. This beautiful pork. We love the pork. Aloha family and welcome to the Felix's Today's Show, Roasted Pork. Michelle is out saving the world one family at a time. Roasted pork party. We have only 2 ingredients that we're gonna use on this beautiful, magnificent pork. Our smoked herb aromatic super salt. Our copacetic marinade. The pork has been sitting out for 1 hour. You wanna pat down the pork, 18 pounds, super delicioso. Pork shoulder, pork butt, and then we start jamming. I will cut these into parts, and the first part right here, pieces like this. So much marination. Look at that, very nice. Pork, it's delicious. And the reason I'm cutting this pork is because I'm taking this pork on a flavor journey. Flavor time, baby. Flavor time. That's what it do today, baby. Pork is nice and butchered. We have it in this pan. Folks, if you want to know how to make this smoked aromatic super salt, check it out right over here. We have 3 amazing seasonings that go with everything. So we'll start with our smoked aromatic super salt, some black pepper. Beautiful. And then our copacetic marinade right on top. All right, family, it is massage time. This pork is gonna get the royal treatment. This pork is gonna be so good, so good. Oh yeah, this pork, it will change your life. I guarantee. The pork is talking to me, saying, "Thank you, sir. Great massage." All right. Hey, Felix, why do you put it in bags? You want close contact, and it's gonna stay in these bags for 24 hours. Tomorrow, I'll see ya tomorrow. All right, family, it is day 2 of the roasted pork party. It smells heavenly. So good. We're gonna sear it to captivate all those flavors. We're gonna be sealing all those flavors inside that pork. I can't wait for you folks to try this at home. When I say it's gonna change your life, I mean exactly that. For all you pork lovers. Magnifico. Beautiful sound. The incarceration of the goodness inside that pork. We make room. No soldier left behind. I love me some pork. GBD, ladies and gentlemen, GBD. Golden, brown, and delicious. While this process is going, family, your oven and preheat it to 350 degrees. So beautiful. So beautiful. This roasted pork is gonna blow your mind. It's gonna change your life. Look at that goodness. And family, you wanna sear all sides of this beautiful goodness and then layer it evenly with a little bit of space so that heat circulates. We be Irish. Ooh, wait! Smoke it! Beautiful sear. Our searing has ceased. We have some good spacing. Grandmama does the rest of the job. The roasted pork is ready. Release the hounds! Very nice. Very beautiful. The juices out of this pork, oh yeah. Pork rest for exactly 10 minutes. Mwah! A quick taste. Look at that juiciness. Sir, please stand away from the pork. I can eat all this 18 pounds of pork by myself. I just can't stop. This magnificent marinade. 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/4 cup spicy sesame dressing, and it just brings this magnificent marinade together. Magnifico! Magnificent marinade, so good. We're gonna depoulage, French term of skimming the fat off the top of these juices. The sauce has been depoulaged. We're gonna take half of this sauce inside our marinade. There we go. So our marinade is complete. So awesome, so awesome. Oh, look at that juicy goodness. See that glistening, super bueno. So you take these beautiful pieces of pork and then you just eat them. You put them right in your marinade. Ooh wee, so good. And now a toss. And my oh my, it is mucho caliente. Look at that. See? I can't stop. Danger! Family, thank you so very much for joining us today on this beautiful roasted pork show. My supervisor here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And to all our subscribers, much love, family. We'll see you very soon. Please be kind to yourself and each other. God bless. Alohas. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that food. Braised pork, sauteed pork, grilled pork, smoked pork. Pork is what's for dinner. Very nice. Roast pork, baby. Right here. Joys of cooking.